Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today in this video we're going to unbox the AirPod Pro second gen that just came out last month, and I received my box today. As you guys can see, it's right here. I have not opened the box yet, and now before we start this video and before we unbox this, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's been said, let's get this box open up and see what we got. So as you guys can see, this is the open. I just cut the tape, but that's about it. I haven't looked inside the box yet, so we're gonna look at together. So as you guys can see right here, so there is the AirPod Pro, like this, as you guys can see, really tied down in the box. It got a plastic, so we're gonna take it out of the box like this, and we're gonna put this box on the side. We don't need it anymore. So okay, here we go. We got the really clean box. I got the Apple logo on the side, and it says the AirPods Pro, and we got the Apple logo, and on this side we got the information about it, as you guys can see right here. There you go. And on the back, as we can see right here, AirPod Pro, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. AirPods Pro second gen with a MagSafe charging case, and the AirPod Pro 2E. It's in a different language, And now, further ado, let's open this up. And it's easy, like Apple boxes. It's the tab. We got one tab on the bottom, the top, one in the bottom. So we're gonna rip off the top tab like this. Put this on its side, and then we're gonna do the bottom one like that. And now let's see. You guys ready? It is open. So we're gonna put this box on the side right here, and then the next in the box we got the paperwork right here. As you guys can see, designed by Apple in California. And the back we got the little 2022 Apple in, all rights reserved, whatever. And then what we got in this pocket, we got the AirPod Pro, and this is just the booklet, how to use this, and instructions. And this is the new page right here. Charge AirPod Pro, recharge, and you can use the lightning cable, and then you can use the MagSafe, and you can use the Apple Watch charger. So we're gonna put this on the side. Next we got the bunch of instruction. No Apple sticker in this, so we're gonna put these right here. Actually, let me put this in the pocket right here so we don't lose them. Put this on top of that, and we're gonna take out the AirPods right here. We're gonna put it on the side and see what else we got in the box. So if we take the bottom out, okay, there you go. So cardboard, and then we got the charging cable from Type C to Lightning, as you guys can see right here. I put this right here, and then in the bottom we got, that's it. And we're gonna put this in the box. And these are the 8 tips for, and I heard that there is a 3. So there you go. This is, we got the extra small, small, and large tips. And basically you get 4 set of these. So we're gonna close this up. Normally the one that pre-installed comes with it, it works for me, but we'll see on this one. I'm gonna put this in box, put this box right here, and now we're gonna open up the actual AirPods. So there you go. All right, so we got that. All right, so this is the AirPod 2. I got my me emoji printed on, engraved on it, as you guys can see right there. And the new function, this is the previous one. And let's match the case size. So it's a bigger, a little bit, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can actually see. So this is edge to edge, and the new one is bigger, previous, and look at the bottom. So this is the new one, and this is the previous one. So the previous one was only the charging port. On this one, I believe this is the mic, and then this is the charging port, and then we got the speaker. And if we go on the other side, we got a linear loop right here. I ordered one, it's coming soon. And then this side, exact same on the back. As you guys can see, the exact same thing. So I'll put this one on the side and let's open it up. There you go. As you guys can see, it says the white indicator light is on, basically to pair. And yeah, this is really nice, really smooth finish. And this is the right side. And now what I'm gonna do, so actually I got the iPhone Pro Max that I'm recording the video on. I should have done on my other phone, and I want to connect this to my 14 Pro Max. So give me 1 second, I'll be right with you guys. Let me change the phone. All right, so this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we are going to connect to my phone. And as you guys can see right here, there you go. And there is the pop-up. We're gonna hit connect, and there you go. Then we got the next part is media control. We're gonna skip that. And as you guys can see, right out of the box, the case battery is 64%, and the AirPod itself is 68. We're gonna hit done, and just like that, it's connected. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into settings, and as you guys can see right there, we got the Daddy's AirPod show up. So let me open it, because all right, done. And we're gonna open up the Bluetooth, connect right there. It's connected, and now as we can see, the Daddy's AirPod Pro, we're gonna click on that. And this is really awesome. I saw on other YouTube videos, the emoji, the me emoji you got engraved on the AirPod, it actually show up on the phone UI, as you guys can see right there. This is really awesome. I love this, you know, the Apple made that. And then we got all these extra options. So I'm gonna set this up, and I'm gonna test it, and also I'm gonna go through all these settings, and also I'm gonna be making a follow-up video on these, and also I'm gonna compare that battery test with the previous one and these, and I will say, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, so you don't miss the comparison video between these two, and also battery test video. And yeah, that's all for right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.